What's up, muscle car people? This is Brand Muscle Cars, and I'm Matt. This is a video I didn't really want to have to make. You know, I didn't think that this would happen. I didn't think this day would come. But I really just have to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry to all the people that watched the videos, subscribed, you know, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Just want to say I'm sorry. It's been a couple weeks since I made a video, or really, you know, I was on a very good schedule there. I was posting 4, 5, 6, 7 days a week, and then I kind of just fell off. And I was wrapping 2 cars back to back, which you'll see a lot of videos. I do have a lot of content from that, but so you'll see those videos. But really, I was just rapping and working so much. I didn't have time to make a bunch of other videos. And we have a bunch of car wash videos. We do have some racing videos coming up. We do have to get ready for drag week, which is gonna be here way too quick. Like, it's just gonna be here and I'm not gonna be ready for it. So I'm gonna say this, today is Friday. We will be back on track starting next week. I'll have more videos, hopefully bring back Tool Tuesday. Got a couple of tools to do videos on, so hopefully we can bring that back. But I got some cool other ideas to do some videos on too, but we're gonna be back on the grind. We're gonna get it, we're gonna hammer it. No, we're not getting rid of this car, not getting rid of the Shelby yet, but you never know. If someone shows up with some money, hit me up. If you want the Shelby, hit me up. But we'll see how things go. Just been super busy, that's all. But I appreciate everybody watching the videos, hitting that like button. The last couple months have been very good for the channel, and I want to keep that up. So I want to get back in that grind, keep posting those videos. There might be a lot of car wash videos coming up, mostly because I've kind of gotten into that, so I like it. But it's easier to make content on that, no lie. And I think I do an all right job. People like it. Okay. I get more views on the car wash stuff than I do on the car stuff. So what are you going to do at that point? Make car wash videos, I guess. Same thing with the tool videos. People like the tool videos, so I make tool videos. If you guys watch the racing videos, I would do more racing videos. Tell me down below what kind of videos you like. What brought you to the channel? Let me know. Appreciate everybody watching, all the new subscribers. You know, I really appreciate, you know, the growth. Hopefully we can, my goal, you know, it is July now. We're only a little over 4,000 subscribers. I would love to get to like 6,000 or 7,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We'll be doing drag week, so that always helps. That brings in a lot of subscribers. Maybe going to Mustang week, I don't know. But those 2 events bring in a lot of subscribers and a lot of views for us. So we'll see what we can do. We will be drag racing this a little bit more. Autocross videos, I like making the autocross videos. I like autocross, but they don't do that well, so it's a little harder. But the drag racing video is pretty easy, so we will be testing some of that out. We need to test out the Steeda suspension stuff that we added. We need to see if we're fast enough. Are we running 10.0s yet, or do I need to get like a Mustang tune or something? I don't know. We're real close, but let's see if we can get there or not. So stay tuned, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Sorry I clickbaited you a little bit, but if you're like us and you got a fast car, you better bring it. Thanks for watching, guys.